Namaste and welcome to Global Passport, fellow travelers. Today our journey takes us to the heart of India's high-tech industry, the vibrant city of Bengaluru. Nestled in the southern part of India, Bengaluru, or Bangalore as it's also known, is a city of contrasts, where the pulse of the new India beats in sync with the rhythm of its rich past. Known for its pleasant weather round the year, the city is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, a testament to its status as a major IT hub. But there's more to Bengaluru than just software. Here you'll find a rich blend of history and modernity, a city where ancient temples stand side by side with towering skyscrapers. From bustling bazaars to serene parks, from colonial-era architecture to futuristic tech parks, Bengaluru is a city that effortlessly straddles both the old and the new. So strap in as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the bustling lanes and serene landscapes of Bengaluru. Before that, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting travel videos like this. Our first stop is none other than the Grand Bangalore Palace. This stunning palace, standing tall in the heart of the city, is a testament to the luxurious lifestyle of the Wadiyar dynasty that once ruled this region. This magnificent edifice, with its robust fortifications and splendid towers, echoes the architectural grandeur of England's Windsor Castle, a design that was a source of inspiration to the king who built it. The palace is surrounded by lush, verdant gardens that spread over an area of about 454 acres. These gardens, with their meticulously pruned shrubs and trees, offer a serene oasis amidst the bustling city. Step inside the palace and you'll be transported back in time. Each room is steeped in royal ambience, with its elaborate woodwork, stained glass windows and intricate carvings. The palace is also home to an impressive collection of 19th and 20th century art. These exquisite paintings, belonging to various Indian and European artists, offer a visual treat to art enthusiasts. The palace's Durbar Hall, with its ornate ceiling and grand chandeliers, is a sight to behold. The king used this hall for addressing his subjects, and today it stands as a symbol of the royal authority that once reigned here. A visit to the palace is like flipping through the pages of Bengaluru's rich history. You can almost hear the whispers of the past echoing through the grand corridors, narrating tales of power, luxury, and opulence. This palace, with its blend of Tudor and Scottish Gothic architecture, offers a unique glimpse into the lives of the royals who once resided here. So, whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, the Bangalore Palace is sure to leave you spellbound with its grandeur and magnificence. It stands as a proud emblem of the city's royal past, blending seamlessly with its vibrant present. A visit to Bengaluru would be incomplete without witnessing the grandeur of Bangalore Palace. Moving on from the royal corridors, we find ourselves amidst nature's bounty at the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. As we step into this verdant paradise, we are greeted by an incredible variety of flora, making it a living library of tropical plants. With over 1,000 species of plants, the garden is a testament to the diversity of nature. The garden's origin dates back to the late 18th century, established by Hyder Ali, the then ruler of Mysore. It's a symbol of how Bengaluru has prioritized green spaces, contributing significantly to the city's reputation as the Garden City of India. In the heart of Lal Bagh stands the iconic Glass House. Inspired by London's Crystal Palace, this stunning structure hosts 2 annual flower shows, drawing in crowds from across the globe. It's a spectacle to witness as the Glass House transforms into a vibrant canvas of colors, with exotic flower arrangements and intricate designs. As you wander through the winding paths, you'll come across the serene Lal Bagh Lake. This tranquil water body is a sanctuary for various bird species, making it a favorite spot for birdwatchers and nature photographers. The sight of the calm water against the backdrop of lush greenery and the cityscape beyond creates a picture-perfect scene. Then there's the famous Lal Bagh Rock, one of the oldest rock formations on Earth. This geological marvel adds a touch of history to the garden, providing a panoramic view of the city from its summit. Throughout the year, Lal Bagh remains a hub of horticultural activities with dedicated spaces for botanical artwork, scientific study, and conservation. It's not just a garden, but an institution that fosters a love for nature and learning. Whether you're a plant enthusiast, a history buff, or just someone seeking a peaceful retreat, Lal Bagh has something to offer. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, soak in the tranquility, and leave with a renewed sense of appreciation for the world around you. A haven for nature lovers, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden offers a refreshing escape from the city's hustle. Next, we dive into the city's pulse at the vibrant KR Market. The bustling KR Market, also known as Krishna Rajendra Market, stands as a testament to Bengaluru's vibrant spirit. It's a lively hub that throbs with life from the break of dawn until the stars adorn the night sky. As we navigate through its crowded lanes, an orchestra of sounds greets us. The chattering of vendors, the rustling of fresh produce, the chiming of temple bells, all coming together in a symphony that is quintessentially Bengaluru. The market is a treasure trove of the city's finest offerings. From mountains of marigolds to heaps of aromatic spices, from colorful textiles to handcrafted trinkets, the array is boundless. Each item tells a story, each vendor a curator of a piece of Bengaluru's soul. As we meander through the stalls, the air is filled with a collage of scents. The earthiness of vegetables, the sweetness of fruits, the tang of pickles, and the intoxicating aroma of the city's famous filter coffee. What sets KR Market apart is its visual spectacle. The kaleidoscope of colors that greet you at every turn is nothing short of a photographer's paradise. The brilliant hues of the flower stalls, the rich tones of spices, the vibrant textiles, each element paints a vivid picture of the city's cultural tapestry. So don't forget to bring your camera along. Capture the essence of Bengaluru through your lens and take home memories that will last a lifetime. But KR Market is more than just a market. It's a melting pot of cultures, a showcase of the city's diversity. Here, people from all walks of life come together, to shop, to trade, to share stories. It's a place where every visitor becomes a part of the city's narrative, where every experience is a slice of Bengaluru's life. So, when you visit Bengaluru, make sure to carve out some time for KR Market. Immerse yourself in its vibrant energy, explore its myriad offerings, and let the city's pulse guide your journey. KR Market is not just a shopping destination, it's a sensory experience that encapsulates the spirit of Bengaluru. Our journey concludes at a place of serenity and spiritual bliss, the ISKCON Temple. The International Society for Krishna Consciousness, or ISKCON, has established this breathtaking temple as a spiritual oasis in the heart of the bustling Bengaluru. Stepping into the ISKCON Temple is like stepping into another world, a world where the chaos of the city fades into the background, replaced by the soothing chants of Hare Krishna resonating throughout the temple. The architecture here is a modern blend of traditional Indian designs and contemporary construction, creating a structure that's as beautiful as it is impressive. Each detail, from the intricate carvings to the towering shikharas, the domes, tells a story of devotion and reverence. Now let's talk about the deities worshipped here. The temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna and his consort Radha, their statues adorned with ornate jewelry and colorful garments, radiating divine energy. The sanctum is also home to other deities including Nitai Gauranga, Srinivasa Govinda, and Prahlada Narasimha, each with their own dedicated followers who visit the temple for their darshan. The temple is alive with daily rituals, from the early morning Mangala Aarti to the evening Sandhya Aarti. Devotees gather in large numbers to participate in these rituals, their collective energy creating an atmosphere of peace and spiritual unity. And then there's the prasadam, the sacred food offered to the deities and later served to the devotees. The temple's kitchen prepares thousands of meals every day, each dish imbued with love and devotion. From the simple yet delicious khichdi to the rich and flavorful halwa, every bite is a divine experience. The ISKCON Temple, with its tranquil environment, offers a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a place where you can pause, reflect, and reconnect with your inner self, all while being surrounded by stunning architecture and a community of devout believers. Immerse yourself in the divine atmosphere of ISKCON Temple, a perfect end to your Bengaluru exploration. As we wrap up our tour of Bengaluru, we hope it has ignited your wanderlust. We've journeyed through the city's heart, beginning with the grandeur of the Bangalore Palace, a living testament to the city's royal past. Then we found tranquility amidst the city hustle in the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, a paradise of nature's bounty. We experienced the vibrant colors and energetic bustle of the KR market, a kaleidoscope of culture and commerce. And finally, we found spiritual solace at the majestic ISKCON temple, a beacon of spirituality and peace amidst the city's skyline. Bengaluru, a city of contrasts, where history and modernity, nature and urban life, spirituality and commerce coexist harmoniously, invites you to explore its multifaceted charm. So, when are you packing your bags for this adventure? Remember to like, subscribe, and comment about your favorite part of the tour. Until next time, keep exploring.